Today we will discuss about magnification. Magnification for the spherical mirror. Magnification may be defined as the ratio of distance of image from the pole to the distance of object from the pole, or in terms of height of image by height of object. It is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. Actually, distance of image as denoted by v and distance of object denoted by u. By sign convention this sign is negative, and this type of magnification actually called transverse magnification, longitudinal magnification. Longitudinal magnification means magnification in terms of distance and in terms of distance of object. It is longitudinal magnification. And it may also defined as it is the ratio of height of image to the height of object, or HI. I stand for image, O stand for object, HI by HO. It is also magnification and it is called transverse magnification. Transverse magnification means magnification in terms of height of image and object is called transverse magnification, and both are equal. Let's see how can we prove it. Suppose we have a concave mirror. It is axis. It is pole. AB is an object, and here AB is the height of object. It is plus HO because height is along upward direction from the principal axis. It is incident ray, suppose it is M, and after reflection, as you know, it will passes through focus, correct? Other incident ray coming from A and get incident at P directly by making an angle theta from the principal axis. Then after reflection, as you know, it moves in such a way that angle between incident ray and principal axis is equal to angle between reflected ray and principal axis. This angle is also theta. Both reflected ray intersected here. So this is image A dash B dash. By sign convention, AB is equal to plus HO. A dash B dash, it is the height of image. It is minus HI. PB is the distance of object, correct, and it is minus U by sign convention because we are moving from P to B, just opposite to incident ray, A to mirror. PB dash is the distance of image. It is also minus. Clear? Now take triangle. In triangle ABP and in triangle A dash B dash P. See here, angle ABP is equal to angle A dash B dash P. Both are 90 degree. And angle APB is equal to angle A dash P B dash. Both are theta. You write here by laws of image formation. It is already discussed. Laws of image formation. So in these two triangles, two angles are same. Therefore, by angle similarity theorem. It means if any two triangles, two corresponding angles are same, then given triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle A dash B dash P similar. This is the sign of similar to triangle ABP. And if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Then therefore A dash B dash and its corresponding side in second triangle AB, it is equal to B dash P upon BP. Up put their value. A dash B dash, it is minus HI by HO. B dash P, it is minus V by BP minus U. Clear? So here this negative sign get cancelled. It become V by U is equal to minus HI by HO, or minus V by U is equal to HI by HO, and it is called magnification. It is the proof of magnification. It is longitudinal magnification in terms of distance of image and object, and it is transverse magnification. Clear? So it's about magnification. The important point, mirror formula. Actually, derivation of mirror formula is not in your syllabus. You know directly. Mirror formula. Mirror formula. This formula is valid for both type of mirror, concave as well as convex. So formula which establishes the relation between distance of object, distance of image and focal length of the given mirror called mirror formula. If U is the distance of object, V is the distance of image, and F is the focal length of spherical mirror, then its mirror formula become 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon, this is mirror formula. If both sides is multiplied by V, then V by F is equal to V by U plus V by V. Get cancelled. So V by F is equal to V by U plus 1. Clear? Now transfer this to left and V by F to right, so it become minus V by U is equal to 1 minus V by F. And as you know, magnification, M is equal to minus V by U. So instead of minus V by U, we can write M. Therefore, M is also equal to 1 minus V by F. So this is the relation between magnification, distance of image and focal length. Similarly, from first, multiply both sides by U. It will become U by F is equal to U by U plus U by V. That is, U by F is equal to 1 plus U by V. Transfer it to left and U by F to right, become minus U by V is equal to 1 minus U by F. Clear? So, as you know, S it can be written as F minus U by F. Okay, it's reciprocal. Therefore, minus V by U is equal to F upon F minus U. And minus V by U is magnification. Therefore, it becomes M is equal to F upon F minus U. So it is a relation between magnification, focal length and U. Here, so it is mirror formula. It is also relation between M, V and F. It is M, F and U. Now by using this, let's see one thing is very important here. before deriving the numericals, while using these formula for numerical purpose, the known quantities are kept with proper sign convention, positive or negative, and unknown quantity will as remains as in given formula. Clear? So let's see one by one. Today we will solve few numericals based on mirror formula. A 2 centimeter high object. For solving a numerical problem is very important. First you will write what is given. A 2 centimeter high object, height of object HO plus 2 centimeter. It is given. Always start from given. A 2 centimeter high object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. Distance of object denoted by U minus 20 cm. Always distance of object always negative for any mirror. Distance of 20 centimeter from a concave mirror. Given mirror is concave. Concave, it is also called, as you know, sometimes converging is written. So converging means itself concave. A real image is formed. Real image is always formed in front of the mirror at 40 centimeter from the mirror. It means minus 40. Because the real images is always formed in front of the mirror, so their distance is negative. Calculate focal length of the mirror, F. Question mark. After that, what you will see, is given quantities are in same system or not. To see here, all the quantities which are given, height of object, distance of image and distance of object, all are in centimeter. It means all the given quantities are in same system. Okay. So since by mirror formula we know 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Here U is equal to minus 20, minus 1 upon 20. V minus 40, it is minus 1 upon 40 is equal to 1 by F. LCM of 20 and 40 is 40. 20 2s are 40, 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. Then 40 divided by 40, that is 1. 1 into numerator 1, it is 1. So it is equal to minus 3 by 40 is equal to 1 by F. Therefore, F is equal to, take its reciprocal, minus 40 by 3. It is minus 3 1 ja 3, 10, 3 3 ja 9, 1, 3 3 ja 9, and so on. So yes, focal length of given concave mirror is minus 13.3 centimeter. And correct now? So you will write the answer with sign. The negative sign shows that a given mirror is concave. Sometimes the name of the mirror is not given. So by sign of focal length you can declare the given length, given mirror is concave.